I recently discovered this particular project and it has announced its airdrop. More information will be dropping about this particular project in the upcoming weeks. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on because I will be bringing updated videos about it. We are so early on this project that it has only got 300 subscribers on Twitter. So this gives you an advantage over others. Moreover, this is just a beginning of airdrop season on Stellar because this project will be launching with the launch of Soroban, which is a smart contract protocol for Stellar. And Stellar is going to be massive in future and I will be bringing a separate video for Stellar. But for now, let's take a look on this particular project. It is called as Phoenix Defi Hub and you know very well how big DeFis will get in future, so it's better to get into it early. So just follow them on Twitter so they will also be able to notice you because they are also in the early phase. Now let's look at the announcement of airdrop. They just dropped it on 8th of January, so it is quite recent, and mainnet launch of Soroban is quite close, probably 30th December as of now I feel. Yes, the upgrade is on 30th December 2024, so it is quite close. So it's better to keep an eye on it, and I will bring the updated video for the details of how you can participate in this particular airdrop. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. See you in the next video.